Welcome to another video of Smart Home. This is Reza, and in this video I'll show you how to create scenes in PLEG using Vera control units. In this video I start with a simple example. If movement is detected by motion sensor, a light is turned on. Let's start. In Vera, I go to the devices page. I select the arrow sign of the program logic event generator. Be careful that in order to have PLEG in active mode, it must be armed. Okay, I click on edit. We need an input, which in our simple example is motion sensor detecting movement. So in logic inputs, I select device triggers. I click new trigger. Trigger name, I set movement. In comment, you can add comment, a brief definition of what you are doing. Trigger device, from the drop-down list, I choose motion sensor. Event type differs based on trigger device. In our example, it can be whenever device is armed and detects motion, whenever device is armed and stops detecting motion. I select whenever device detects motion, whether it's armed or disarmed. By clicking on save, trigger is added. If I click on remove in front of the movement, trigger is deleted. By clicking on edit, you can change it. Okay, the name is movement. In the description part, you can see what it is. Now it's time to define condition. I select conditions, then create new condition. In the condition name, I set the name of our condition. Turn on light. Again, you can have a comment. In front of the syntax assistance, there is a drop-down list. By selecting on the list, you can see all of your inputs, conditions, and logics. Our example, the input is movement. I select it. Then I select insert. After selected, movement is added to the box, this box. Our condition is very simple, just a movement. By clicking on save, it is added to the list of conditions. Now I click on editor option, select reload Lua. Wait a few seconds in order to Lua reboots. I close the page. Again, click on edit. Error loading data because Vera is rebooting. Now it's time to define what happens. I click on logic actions. In the list, select new actions. You can find turn on light, the name of your condition. By selecting it, you can define what happens. The action can be a Lua code, immediate, or you can add intervals. I want to have the action immediately. Okay, I select immediate. From the device action table, I select the light that I want to be turned on. Ceiling entrance. Advanced mode is off. You can see the UI of the ceiling entrance and you can define whether to turn it on or off or on. If I turn on the advanced mode, in front of the action there is a drop down list. You can set what happens to the device. Let's turn off the advanced mode. I want the entrance light to be turned on. By clicking on save, reloading Lua engine, your scene is created and ready to be used. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave comments. Bye.